Whether you take millets regularly, occasionally, or wondering how millets would be, this is a recipe that you need to try. Welcome to Whada Gravy. Little Millet, Samai or Kutki is going to be used to prepare this millet recipe. Take 1 cup of Little Millet. This is unpolished millet. All millets are gluten-free and unpolished millets have more fiber, protein and nutrients. Wash in water. Strain and add 1 3/4 cup of water. This proportion of water to Little Millet will ensure that you get a delicious pulav with all grains separate. Use the same cup for all the measurements. Allow it to soak for 6 to 8 hours. I am soaking this overnight. I have explained in detail as to why millets have to be soaked and how best to consume them in my Perfect Millet Rice video. You can find the link for the same in the description box below. The millets have soaked well. Strain the water from the millet. Set aside. To a mortar, add 5 chopped green chilies, 5 pods of garlic, 1-inch piece of peeled and chopped ginger. Crush to a coarse paste. Wash and finely chop a few coriander leaves and mint leaves, about 1 tablespoon each. To a fry pan, add 1 tablespoon desi ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of split cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon raisin. Fry until the raisin swells up and the cashew nut turns golden brown. Remove. Add half more tablespoon ghee to the ghee remaining after frying the cashew nuts. To this, add 175 grams of paneer cubes. Keep stirring and frying. Once the paneer cubes are evenly fried on all sides, remove. Take any pan or pot, switch on the stove, add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, 1.5 tablespoons of oil, the remaining ghee from frying the cashews and paneer. Once the oil becomes hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 1-inch pieces of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 3 pods of green cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 star anise or chakra fool. This is a great digestive aid. And add 2 small bay leaves. Fry until you get a good aroma and then add long, thinly sliced pieces from 1 medium-sized onion. Fry until the onions turn golden brown. And add the coarsely crushed green chili ginger garlic paste. Fry for a minute. And add 3/4 cup of peas. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add the soaked and strained Little Millet and fry until the moisture gets absorbed. Little Millet is a great option for those looking to lose weight. Little Millet is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and minerals such as magnesium, which helps in heart health, niacin, which helps lower cholesterol, and phosphorus, which helps in energy building and tissue repair. Now add the water which was used to soak the little millet. Millet-soaked water should never be discarded. This water is full of nutrients. Millets also help regulate blood sugar levels. I'm not adding any extra water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste. To this, add the fried paneer cubes, chopped mint and coriander leaves, mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Adding the juice of lime not only enhances the taste but also helps to keep the grains separate. Mix, reduce the flame to the minimum that you can. Close with the lid and cook. Open in between to stir. You can see that the water is slowly getting absorbed. Close and continue cooking. After 15 minutes, the paneer peas pulav is almost done. The water is fully absorbed and the millet is cooked. Add the fried cashew nuts and raisin. Mix well. Close the lid, switch off the stove and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. This ensures that the millet rice turns fluffy. After 5 minutes, with a wonderful aroma and separate and fluffy grains, our healthy paneer and peas millet pulav is ready. Serve the pulav in a bowl along with onion, tomato or vegetable raita. Garnish with some more fried paneer pieces, cashew nut and raisins. Healthy, light and flavorful, this pulav can be had for dinner too. Enjoy hot. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such recipes. Thank you for watching. Would love to hear from you.